Oi, that is a catch for today.
And the battery is going low and low and low. Huh?
Poor fellows, we have to compromise by using my hat, and not so big, but then a good amount of this fish will take care of the job. Casting the net like that, it's more complicated than you think. If you don't cast the net properly, it will be so crooked that the fish will run away, you know. It has to be round and confirmed. But I think that this river is a little bit deep. It's better to cast the net in the shallow waters, I think. But we'll try that in the other places. This place is a bit too deep. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ase tu ase. Wow. There's a big one.
Throw once more. Up there.
Guys, this is the fisherman.
Yo.
And his go. More fishing to go. Yes. And as my friend said, the water is a bit transparent now. It's a little bit clear than, you know, the previous one. So I think it would have been better if the water is a little bit muddy or dirty, as we can say. In that case, the fish, they will not be able to see us at this point. So now it is transparent. The fish under the water can see us very well. I think preferably it would be better at night or early in the morning at dawn. Fingers crossed. Let's be hopeful.
Only the stone.
Wow, such a big catch. Wow, 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 so damn deep, man. So damn deep. Whoa, he's going for it. Ooh. He's going for it again. Wow. It landed in a perfect round shape.
जगह तो फला से पाव लगे
अरे अपनी कौन इसना सफा इशू ना तो टाने भी poor little fish, you're too small for me to eat you like this. So grow up a little more and then we'll find you someday. Have a good one.
야, 이거 봐, 이네. 럽시네.
Đây là
Nó lùm trắng rồi.
나오는 이게 수수 미셔서.
Này,
Another one, another one, and another one.
Wow, là chỉ biết số bảy đấy.
Oi, that is a catch for today.
And the battery is going low and low and low.
And we've got another one, so let's check it out.
Anh chưa ra chứ?
This is another one. So we'll be cooking all of this for today's dinner. Wow. Another addition from different fishermen.
Isa,这个大山的。
啊，
啊，对，这种摆平的是免这个。A rockfish.
And what fish is that?
This is also a rockfish, but in a small stream. Whereas this,
Bigger one.
yeah, the bigger stream.
Stream
We only found
in rivers like this.
Yeah, yeah. Rowdy place.
We'll mix along with the brinjals and a few other ladyfingers. So we'll start cooking. ये अंडा है, अंडा half boiled. Pari.
아, 까지.